I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to the Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible.
Good morning, Decatur High School. Today is Thursday, and these are your announcements. Any girl wanting to run, jump, or throw for the DHS Women's Track and Field team, please stop by A225 and let Coach Park know. Even if you are playing basketball, soccer, or swimming right now, Coach Park needs your sizes. Sophomores and juniors, if you would like to attend a college fair during the school on Friday, January 26th from 9 to 11 in Fort Worth, please come and fill out a permission slip form. Those need to be due soon. Students who would like a new calendar or planner for the spring semester should see Miss Russell in 235 or Miss Johnson in the first floor office. Parents and students, there will be a scheduling meeting on Thursday, January 25th in the auditorium from 5:30 to 6 for sophomores and juniors and 6:30 to 8 for incoming freshmen. Identical presentations will be held on Monday at the same times, and on Tuesday, the 30th, the counselors will host a coffee with counselors from 8 to 10 in the first floor office for parents who have questions regarding scheduling. The art program is collecting old cell phones, iPads, and inkjet printers for a recycling fundraiser, and you'll turn those in to Miss Burdette. Open mic night is under the C theme, and that is tonight from 6 to 8 in the auditorium. Admission is $3. It's going to be fun. Go and support the theater department. And anyone wanting to try out for baseball, please see Coach Maddox in room 305 and sign the tryout sheet. Now for sports with Crazy Colin.
And I got a colorful aura, like I got neon dots.
Soccer at Eden High School. Girls play at 5 and guys play at 7. And then powerlifting today. And that's it.
Now for Coach Park's 2 cents.
Here comes the sun, here comes the sun, I say it's alright. Everybody in the club.
And remember, DHS, always look at what you have left. Never look at what you've lost. Find out what you got, take care of it, and work from that point. It's my 2 cents. God bless America. Have a great day.
Have a great day.